In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a chart from Google Sheets into a Google Docs document. This is a great way to visually enhance your documents with data-driven graphics, making your reports, proposals, or any other types of documents much more impactful and professional. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine and clicking on the relevant link that takes you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're already logged into your Google account, you should see a list of all your saved documents. Go ahead and select the document that you want to insert the chart into. If you're creating a new document, you can start a blank document or choose from any of the templates available to suit your needs. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the Insert option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Chart option. This will provide you with several options, such as inserting a bar or line chart. However, since we're focusing on pulling a chart from an existing Google Sheets file, you need to choose the From Sheets option. At this point, a dialog box will appear showing a list of your Google Sheets files. Browse through your files to identify the one containing the chart you want to use. Click on the specific Google Sheets document, and you'll be presented with a preview of the charts available in that particular sheet. Once you've located the desired chart within the sheet, you just need to click on it to select it, and then hit that Insert button in the dialog box. The selected chart will now appear in your Google Docs document. After the chart has been inserted, you can easily move and resize it directly within your document simply by clicking and dragging the edges. If your reason for adding a chart is to provide readers with the most up-to-date information, keep in mind that these charts are dynamic. This means any change made in the original Google Sheet will automatically update the chart within your Google Doc, ensuring your data remains current. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a chart from Google Sheets into your Google Docs. This straightforward process will help you create more engaging and data-driven documents without hassle. Practice this process a couple of times to get comfortable, and you'll be able to do it in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more ways to enhance your document.